Northern Water was created to supply water to municipalities and agricultural users throughout northeastern Colorado. But we as an organization understand at a deep level that managing water resources goes hand in hand with striving to be good stewards of our natural environment. We can't take on these large-scale projects on our own, and we're very grateful that we have had the opportunity to develop these relationships and partnerships with many of our other entities that work with us and engage to achieve our healthy watershed goals. There's a new initiative that we have engaged in. It is focused on the Kawinichi Valley. It's where the Colorado River flows from Rocky Mountain National Park into Shadow Mountain Reservoir. There's been a loss of equilibrium between the local wildlife and the geomorphic processes that take place symbiotically.
So we're hoping to use things like simulated beaver structures, exclosure fencing, planting riparian vegetation. We recently completed aerial mulching operations in highly burned areas of the East Troublesome Fire.
We were able to collectively over these past 2 years treat about 12,500 acres.
And then we're also going to be looking at 16 miles of streams that we have identified for what's called low-tech process-based treatments.
We are looking at a project that will connect the Colorado River again, and it'll bring it around the reservoir. The goal of the project is to increase fish passage.
Altogether, there are numerous projects that are going to be related to Colorado River stream flow, closely related to Connectivity Channel, and the Learning by Doing group is going to oversee those projects and to make sure they all fit together and work well together when they're all completed.
As part of our involvement with the Grand County Learning by Doing organization, Northern Water has started a project to develop conceptual designs for restoration in Willow Creek below Willow Creek Reservoir in Grand County.
NISP is a critical component of the future of this region. It is important in the context of the growth that this region is seeing, but also in terms of all the mitigation and the environmental commitments and enhancements that will come with this project.
For the past several years, Northern Water has had a very robust forest health program. We accomplished this mission primarily through cooperation with stakeholders. We utilized the Colorado State Forest Service, U.S. Forest Service, and many other local and regional partners.
As we better understand the cascading effects from high mountains to faucets, it is critically important that we work in partnership with these agencies and others as well to tackle these issues at a landscape scale and in a strategic manner.